Hello and welcome to the Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option on how to reset keyboard settings to default settings in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. So first of all, where to look for our keyboard's options. Settings. Then in settings we're looking for general management options menu. Next we need to open Samsung keyboard settings menu. And here we need to scroll all the way down, and here we have reset to default settings. And here, as you can see, we have a few options. We can erase predictions, touch recognition data, etc., and click. And here at the top are our options. So reset, yes please. And now our options are back to their defaults. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.